Hey guys, Chichi here. Welcome back to my channel, which was recently changed to ComfyChic365. Today we're gonna do a requested video on this eye look. So if you want to know how I achieved it, keep on watching.
Entrada.
Silverchair 28, they requested that I recreate the eye look I had on in my Pat Mcgrath concealer video. So this is going to be a quick little tutorial. It's really simple. So I already did my foundation because it's that easy that you really don't need to do your eyes first. I'm going to grab my Artist Couture Supreme Nudes palette and I'm going to dip into Transcend and Nudist. Nice little quick mixture of it, just bouncing between the two. Tap off the excess and go to town. So I tend to use two colors when I'm just like going ahead and like buffing this out, because sometimes you might not use a lighter shade if you're my complexion. So for me to actually fully use a whole palette, I like to mix the shades. And you can do this as messily as you like, because this is like a 3-step eye look. So just gonna take my lovely time. I want to kind of build it up, but most of it is going to get covered up. Alright, just pat it in first and then you can just do some circular motions. If you wanted to, because sometimes it's a little bit easier to use a big fluffy brush, you can also use that too. Either brush will do, because I only say the E25 because the next color we're going to put down, I'm going to use that brush. So if you're someone who doesn't like using up all your brushes, this eye look is perfect for you. So we're good with that. So the next shade I'm going to pick up with the E25 is Aesthetic. And we're going to just work this right into the crease. And I believe I had some sort of failed attempt at a halo. So we're going to make a nice little rainbow on the eye. And I just pat it in, and I make sure that I bring it into the inner corner as well as the outer corner. Now you can determine the level of intensity that you want, but of course towards the outer part I'm going to do it a little bit deeper versus the inner part. It's still going to have that color, but it's going to probably not be as intense. Sometimes we make makeup harder than what it really needs to be. Just want to pat it into the crease. And if you can't find your crease, just tilt your head back a little bit and you'll find that nice little socket to bring those colors in. Just walk it. If it gets on a big part of your lid, don't worry about it, because it's all going to be covered up. And I actually didn't put any primer on. You can put on primer, you can put on concealer as your primer. It's really the dealer's choice. If you don't want to put any primer on, that's also cool. But yeah, let me make sure that is out far enough. I'm just going to bring it in a little bit with no additional product. Just kind of flinging it into the center of my eye, but not covering the center. I just want to almost like blend the edges just a little bit. And we're done with that part. Since I'm already here, I'm going to do the same thing with my lower lash line, taking Transcend and Nudist and just sweeping that right under my eye, and taking the E15 flat definer brush, and I'm just going to go on my lash line with Aesthetic. And you can go ahead and blend that out a little bit, just so it's not super harsh. Now going into my Jackie Aina palette, we're gonna go into Zam. And this is literally the only color I had. So I'm gonna pick that up on a brush. If you want to, boom, you can spritz it a little bit and go right into the center of your eyelid. Make sure you don't go all the way above your crease, because you just want to keep it pop right there. You don't want to take that color too far out. You just want it just enough. And you don't need a whole lot of this color. Or if you want to put a ton, go ahead. It's your eye. I'm gonna go back in with my E25 and just, again, no extra product. Just going to feather the edges. Make sure it's pretty tight up in there. Boom. Told you this is super, super easy look. In that video, I don't believe I was wearing any eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go right in with my Lily lashes in Rome. I'm gonna pop those on real quick and come back to you. And just like that, we're done. This is the completed look, guys. ComfyChic365, I'm so sorry that this video has taken forever for me to upload, but yeah, the original one is stuck on my hard drive, girl. I'm just saying. But in case you guys are wondering what is on my lips, I am using the Pat Mcgrath lip pencil in Manhattan and the Artist Couture lipstick in Power Play. But yeah, it's a really simple, easy look. I'd probably do something in this realm 75% of the time, because it's just literally 3 or 4 colors and it looks like I put in a whole lot more effort than I really did. And that's why I always like a variety of neutral palettes in my collection, because I could pull something like this together just like that and y'all be like, oh girl, you hella cute, what's that? And I'll be like, you know, 3 colors. Let me know if you guys want to see more tutorials using the Artist Couture palette or even the Jackie Aina palette, because you know I'm down for that. Might take me a while, but I'm down for it. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Stay comfy, guys. Bye.